Man, this thing is big. Made a lot of progress today. Windows were in, roof's up, center cap on the roof. Next time we'll get the doors framed, hung. Man. And then probably the next week, let's back it up here. That's probably part of the problem. There you go. Next week we'll get the electricity in. It's gonna go right over here. I'll have a whole nother video on what happened, why my lift won't happen for a while. So they did a great job. It's amazing. Such a huge building. It's so crazy. Man. Anyways, first take since they left, I want to bring it out and show you guys. Well, another rainy day. It's what this project seems to have seen, is a lot of rain. Building turned out good. There's one little leak coming in the roof somewhere. They're going to come out and take a look at it. And if you can see that, you got a full-size Suburban there, and it just looks teeny compared to this thing. It's really turned out big. I mean, everybody always says go bigger, but well, that ended up being, like I said, a little steeper than I wanted. It will be great to get in some other projects, trucks and stuff like that. That's not going to be a problem. Front's really good. I love that two-tone. The doors are massive, which I really, really like. No rain gutters. I think I'm gonna have a rain gutter put on this other side over here. I like the rain gutter here because it puddles up right in here. Because it used to kind of flow out that way, and now it's blocked. So I'm gonna have to trench this and put a crossover pipe there, put a rain gutter here, and get all that water back to the back where it should be. It's a good looking little building. It's really big. It's nice. Get some more lights outside and everything. We'll be ready to rock and roll. Let's go inside. There's no power yet. That'll come in the next video. I'll explain what we're gonna do. A good old mower right there. Got the Dodge in here and the Fox body. So we ended up with 3 windows. One 8x8 door like I was telling you. And then those big 10x10s. But we'll go into electrical next time, next week's video update. They came out and started it early. I mean, it's big, Echo. It's always fun. Got to do a little bit of sealing up at the bottoms there. And then right here with the two-tone on the outside, I really want to just seal those up. So I'll probably get a little foam put in there. Build some shelves. Like I said, next time I'll go through the electrical and we'll kind of talk about it. And then after that, I'll do a couple things I already don't like about this. And then some I do. But this is just it's big. It's really big. So thanks for coming along for the ride. Doors go up, and usually once you get them about here, 5-6 feet up, they pull themselves up. Really not a bad situation you got going on there. All in all, I really like it. We're gonna have some light switches over here. Interesting setup, but I didn't want anything poking out, but we'll go into more details on that next video. This one just kind of wanted you to see it. Again, it's raining. It's always raining here, so there's that for us. But we do have a few little leaks right in here's the main one. Because I came out the other day and the Dodge hood was just drenched. But we had a pretty good storm, but it still shouldn't leak. I don't see any today. But they'll be back, take a peek at that. I mean, this car is lined up with this door. You could probably get another little, you push that over. You push this over here a bit. You could get another car right there, leave the Dodge where it's at, and probably go another 1 or 2 on the other side of it, depending on how big they are. I'm an idiot. I like Suburbans. And this ends up being not as big as it could be because the Suburbans are just so dang big. Dodge isn't very small either, but I don't know. Hopefully you like it. We will see you on the next one. I've got a Camaro video I'm working on for you, which I'm really excited about. And I'm also excited to get the electricity done on this place and kind of get a feel for how things are going to go. I'm really excited for that part. Anyways, we will see you on the next one. If you can, hit that thumbs up.